The fifth yama, according to yoga philosophy, is Aparigraha, which means non-greed and non-attachment. I like to think of non-attachment as not attaching to a particular outcome of a situation. So when you apply Aparigraha on the mat, you can focus all your attention on what you're doing in the moment without worrying about the results, without worrying about looking perfect in the pose, and just grounding yourself in the present moment without attaching to results. There's so many other ways you can apply Aparigraha in your life, not attaching to an outcome of a situation, not attaching to a material possession, not coveting something. So Aparigraha is the last of the yamas. I'm really excited to share this short practice with you. I'm going to teach you one yoga pose, one mudra, and one chant that relates to Aparigraha. Please subscribe to my channel and let's get started. So we're going to start in mountain pose, feet hip width apart, root through the heels, slight tuck of the tailbone, navel to spine, shoulders back and down, reach through the fingers, lift through the crown, close your eyes, and just take a moment and think about what Aparigraha might mean to you in your life. Maybe ask yourself, do you practice non-attachment? Or do you sometimes feel attached to a particular outcome and get discouraged when things don't go exactly how you wanted? Do you sometimes feel jealousy? Do you sometimes start to covet a material possession? Just ask yourself how Aparigraha shows up in your life. When you're ready, take a deep breath in, reach your hands out and overhead, gaze up at the thumbs. Exhale, hinge at the hips, swan dive, forward fold. Take a deep breath in, lift up halfway, fingers to shins. Exhale, fold, bend your knees, plant your palms, then step your left leg back. Keep the right knee over the ankle. Take a deep inhale, lift your fingertips, and exhale, lower your left knee down. Take a big breath in, reach your hands up above you. This is Anjaneyasana. And as you exhale, I'm going to show you Ganesha Mudra. So take your right hand over your heart so your right thumb faces up. Take your left hand over your right hand, then clasp all your fingers together. According to yoga philosophy, this mudra honors Ganesha, which is an ancient Indian deity. Practicing this mudra along with this chant, Om Gam Ganapatayei Namaha, will help let go of obstacles and let go of any attachments that aren't healthy and aren't serving your highest good. It's Om Gam Ganapatayei Namaha. So we'll do 3 breaths and 3 chants. You're welcome to chant silently to yourself or feel free to chant out loud with me. Big breath in. Om Gam Ganapatayei Namaha. Om Gam Ganapatayei Namaha. Om Gam Ganapatayei Namaha. Take a big breath in, reach your hands up. Exhale, plant your hands to frame your right foot, lift up off the left knee, then gently step your right foot back to your left, downward dog. Take a deep breath in, a long breath out. Now take a deep breath in, look between your thumbs, step your left foot there, lower your right knee down. Inhale, hands reach high. Exhale, make Ganesha Mudra. So, same mudra as before, we're just switching legs. Remember, your right hand is facing your heart, so your right thumb is up. 3 breaths, 3 chants. Om Ganapatayei Namaha. Om Ganapatayei Namaha. Take a deep inhale, reach your hands up overhead. Exhale, plant your palms to frame your left foot. Tuck your back toes, lift up off your right knee. Then step your right foot back to your left in downward dog. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, walk your hands back to your feet. Then take a deep inhale. Exhale, slowly and gently curl up the spine, vertebrae by vertebrae. Make your way back to mountain pose. Take a deep inhale, swoop the hands out and overhead. Exhale, bring your hands to your hearts, and I invite you to close your eyes. Take a moment, notice how your body feels, notice how your breath feels, and notice what's going on in the mind right now. Take a moment, observe any subtle shifts in your mood, your mind, your energy. Thank you so much for sharing your yoga practice with me today. I hope you found that practice interesting and enjoyable. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please comment below. I would love to hear your feedback, and I would love to hear how you're incorporating Aparigraha on your mat and how you're incorporating Aparigraha into your daily life. Please comment below and share me anything you would like. The light in me honors the light in you. Namaste.